I'm going to tell you the 7 best Reno, Nevada neighborhoods to live in. My name is Jack Bowles, and if you're thinking about moving to Reno, you're going to want to watch this video and consider these 7 areas. Let's get right into it. At number 7, we have Hidden Valley, which is a nice, cozy community nestled in East Reno. It's right in between the mountains, and it's a spot that I don't think gets enough credit. It made it onto my list because I love the community there, and I love the golf course. They have an awesome community center with a resort-style pool, a signature championship golf course that's actually pretty tricky. It's one of those golf courses where you can 5-putt. One of the hardest courses I've played in Reno. It's far enough from main roads so you feel secluded and it's quiet, but it's close enough where it's actually in a very convenient location. They also have tennis courts and pickleball courts, and the homes are relatively affordable, around $865,000. I know what you're saying, like almost $1 million bucks. What? How's that affordable? Well, relative into the top communities on this list and relative to, say, California. At number 6, I have Somerset, and Somerset is an amazing community. It's in West Reno at the foothills of the Sierras. They have a lot of great amenities, an awesome golf course, and a big reason why people move here is because of the hiking trails. They have 24 hiking trails that you can hike throughout. A lot of people choose to retire here. It's a fairly convenient location, and they have a lot of great amenities and a nice golf course. They have a community center with 2 pools and a gym. They have a lot of nice restaurants in the area. And you also have Del Webb out there, which is a 55 and over community. People love to retire there and be around like-minded people. They do lots of events. They have their own little community center. It has a nice pool, a nice gym. They have a little indoor walking track. They have a hot tub, and it's a really beautiful view from that community center. Home prices there aren't bad either. The median sales price is $710,000. The reason it's not higher on my list is because it is in the foothills of the Sierras, so you do get more snow when it storms, and it can get pretty windy. And if you're looking to live here or any other neighborhood I mentioned on this list, we are the #1 relocation team in the state of Nevada. Here's my number and my email. I'd love to hear which neighborhoods are your favorite. I'd love to help you get into those neighborhoods and see if we can't find the best spot for you. You really don't want to end up in the wrong neighborhood here. Let's get to our top 5 though. Number 5 on our list, I have Damani Ranch. Now, Damani Ranch is a really nice development in South Reno, built for families, as it says on their website. And they developed it in a very interesting way. They developed it around the wetlands down there and commercial businesses. So it's a super convenient spot. You have lots of restaurants. You have the Summit Mall down there, and it's right off the freeway. Lots of parks and walking trails for you to walk around, with the wife and the kids. They have 6 gyms throughout the community, so you'll be able to walk or bike to any gym. There's lots of fun stuff to do down there. The Summit Mall has an Apple store because we all know Apple is the best. Comment below if you disagree. It's not far from downtown Reno either. It's probably 15 to 20 minutes. There are some good golf courses down there. You have Wolf Run and Arrow Creek. Arrow Creek is private, but residency is not required. Kids will go to Damani Ranch High School, which is one of the best high schools in town, and the home prices here are actually a really good deal in my opinion, with the median home price being $680,000. You just have to look out for wild horses down there. Damani Ranch High School's mascot is even the Mustangs. There's tons of wild horses. They roam throughout the neighborhoods, which is cool, but you often hear stories of people, hitting them at night, which is super sad. And, they'll graze on your lawn in your front yard and all that kind of stuff. So if you love horses, this is definitely the spot for you. But if you don't kind of want to deal with that, then maybe not. Moving on to number 4 on our list, and my personal favorite spot I have lived is Northwest Reno. Now I can hear the Damani Ranch and Somerset people yelling right now, saying, what? Northwest better than Damani or Somerset? But hear me out. I've lived in the heart of downtown Reno. I've lived in Collin Ranch. I've lived near Somerset off Robb. I have lived in Sparks. I have lived in South Reno. And I have lived in Northwest, and Northwest has been my favorite spot by far. It is one of the most convenient locations to live in Reno, and there's so much to do. We have some great events in Northwest Reno, the great Reno air balloon races in San Rafael Park. We have downtown Reno, and all the events that has to offer is within walking distance. I-80 is right here, so if you like to ski or snowboard or go to the North Lake Tahoe, you can just hop on that, and it's super easy. The shopping centers in Northwest I found have been the most accessible and convenient as well. We have a Walmart, a Walgreens, Raley's, Ross, Chipotle, tons of stuff going on in there, and there's never too much traffic no matter what time of the day you go. We also have a lot of parks, and we have a rec center. We have the Truckee River. Your kids will go to McQueen High School, which is another one of the best high schools in the city. And a big reason why I have Northwest over a lot of those other neighborhoods is that it is affordable. The median sales price in Northwest is $570,000, and I think it's one of the best places to own a home in Reno. It's super close to downtown, it's super close to the university, so I'm honestly surprised that home prices aren't higher. I mean, imagine if you owned a home close to downtown San Diego or close to downtown Seattle. Imagine what those homes would be worth now. And if you're enjoying this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Your support means a lot and I really appreciate you. Now for our top 3. Number 3 on our list is a spot that I don't think gets enough credit, and at number 3 we have Lake Ridge Shores. Lake Ridge Shores is in the perfect location in my opinion. It's pretty much in the middle of Reno. You're about a mile or two away from the Peppermill and the Atlantis, 2 of the nicest casinos in the area. You have the Meadowwood Mall right there, which is our main mall here in Reno. That's where I get all my gear. Lake Ridge also has my favorite golf course in town. It's an easy course. It's super beautiful. It's a lot of fun. Lake Ridge also has my favorite hole in Reno, hole 15. It's a true island hole. It's a par 3, about 140 yards. You tee off from about 200 feet above the hole, and the green is in the middle of Lake Stanley, and it's super fun. You gotta bring like 3 or 4 balls on that hole. I mean, come on. There are also some really nice parks in the area. You have the Lake Ridge Tennis Club, which has 18 tennis courts and pickleball courts. They have 2 swimming pools and a gym. The price is bearable here, but it is a prime location. The median sales price is $850,000, but you can find massive houses here that are in the multi-millions, so I think that drives the median up a little bit. You'll be able to find homes for sale in the 600, 700 range, and this is a spot that I'm really considering purchasing in. Now for the neighborhood that comes in at number 2 on our list, I have Montreux. Montreux is undoubtedly one of the best neighborhoods in Reno. It's a gated community between Reno and Tahoe. So if you love to ski, you have Mount Rose about 10 minutes away, and the lake is probably 20 to 25 minutes away. Reno is also probably 20 minutes away. Montreux probably also has the nicest golf course in Reno. It's a 18-hole Jack Nicklaus signature championship style course, and Nicklaus himself even has it in his top 5 courses ever. I haven't played there, so if you have a connection there and you'd like to get me in, maybe I'll put Montreux at number 1 on the list. That could be a deciding factor. But they do lots of events there, lots of charity events, stuff like that, and they have live music, and it's a good time hanging out there. My team did a charity event there last year. They have a world-class clubhouse, walking trails, pools, tennis courts, fitness center, and much more. You also have the Galena Forest there, which has tons of walking trails and tons of real estate to discover. They have the Galena Creek. Your kids will go to probably the best high school in town, Galena High, and they can also go to Bishop Manogue. Bishop Manogue is a private Catholic school. They have really great sports facilities. Montreux is just a very private, very elegant, awesome community, and I think it's everyone's dream to own a place here. Should I tell you the median price though? I think I gotta tell you the median price. The median sales price is $2.2 million. So not one of the most affordable locations on our list, but it's absolutely a dream if you can live there. Now at the number 1 spot, the best neighborhood in Reno, I have Arrow Creek. Arrow Creek in Southwest Reno takes number 1 on my list because of its amazing city views. And Arrow Creek is actually just above Montreux, so you get a lot of the same things that Montreux has as well. But you'll find incredible homes here with awesome city views and really nice golf courses. You have Wolf Run, and Arrow Creek itself has 2 private golf courses. The Legends course was designed by Arnold Palmer, and both those private courses are managed by Arnold Palmer Golf. They have great amenities as well, an awesome community center, and then across the street from there they have the Residence Center. Again, your kids will go to Galena or Bishop Manogue, and the community in Arrow Creek is just awesome. They're so loyal to that soil. I've literally had people move like 3 houses down because they like the view better, or move right across the street because they want the city view. So people love it there. They never want to leave there. I think it's the best location to live in Reno if you have the means, because the median sales price is $1.9 million. But you can find homes just over $1 million if you're lucky, depending on how the market goes. You sometimes around 1.3, 1.4. So these premium neighborhoods do come with a cost, but if you'd like to live in any of these neighborhoods on my list, send me a text, give me a call, reach out to me. I would love to hear what your favorite neighborhoods are and help you find a home in one of those neighborhoods. And if you're still unsure about Reno, check out the pros and cons video I have right here.